Now, the Delhi government is scheduled to start rapid testing today at the hotspots to overcome the risk involved from asymptomatic patients. The government is planned to deal with such patients into 3 levels with rapid tests. The moves are aimed at identifying, isolating and contact tracing of such cases. Delhi's toll booths are now functional from today as the total number of cases crosses the 2,000 mark in Delhi with 45 deaths. Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal yesterday announced no relief for citizens amidst the lockdown. However, the situation would be reviewed again on 27th of April and the decisions are going to be taken after that on the relaxation of lockdown. Remember, because Delhi is one of the worst impacted states as well. So the government at the moment is fighting this pandemic on a war footing in the national capital. And all these steps are being taken for the safety of the citizens in the national capital. All 11 districts in Delhi are hotspots. Situation remains the same even in the NCR region of Noida, Ghaziabad, as the police continue to keep a close check on the citizens. No respite in lockdown has been allowed as of now given the situation.
दिल्ली में आज कुल मिलाकर 2003 पॉजिटिव केसेज हैं, जिसमें से 110 केसेस कल पॉजिटिव आए हैं और जो कल 110 आए हैं उसमें टोटल जो टेस्ट किए गए थे 2054 टेस्टों की रिपोर्ट आई है, उसमें से वो पॉजिटिव आए हैं। और जितने, मैं आपको एक और चीज़ बता दूं, जितने पेशेंट हैं 50 साल से कम उम्र के, उसमें 1283 लोग हैं, 50 से 60 के बीच में 320 हैं और 60 साल से ऊपर 386 लोग हैं। साथ ही साथ जो डेथ हुई हैं टोटल अभी तक 45 हुई हैं। 45 में से 10 डेथ 50 साल से कम उम्र के लोग हैं, 10 50 से 60 के बीच में और 25 60 साल से ऊपर है।
There has been no respite from the lockdown for residents of Noida and Ghaziabad since the cases of coronavirus patients are on a rise. All these two cities are still locked down, and you can see this is the Char Murti locality of Greater Noida West. Heavy police deployment is here, the barricades have been put and each and every vehicle is being checked. People who are commuting without valid passes or without valid reasons are being either challened or FIR is being filed against them. You can see senior police officials also in the frame, and you can see the checking is so intense that not a single vehicle is allowed to cross that particular barricade, which is actually a bordering area of Noida and Ghaziabad. Since Ghaziabad is also locked down, the police is not taking any chances, and any person without valid passes or without valid reason is not allowed to cross this barricade. This is Abhishek Anand reporting from Ground Zero in Greater Noida for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.